Here's how to create new folders in Outlook to keep your emails organized. Once you are logged into Outlook, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your folders live, including your inbox, sent items, and deleted items. Hover your mouse over the Folders section in the sidebar, and you will see a small three-dot icon appear right next to it. Click on those three dots to open the Folder Options menu. From the menu, select Create New Folder. A text field will appear where you can type the name of your new folder. Name it something meaningful, like the name of a project, a client, or a category of emails you regularly receive. Once you have typed the name, press Enter, and your new folder will be created instantly and will appear in your sidebar list. You can now drag and drop emails directly into it, or set up rules to automatically send certain emails there. Repeat this process to create as many folders as you need to keep everything perfectly organized. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.